Hello everyone, welcome from College of Engineering Felton. Myself Asha Ketan Dudha from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to perform practicals on CNC Programming SY Diploma Mechanical 4th semester. Today we are going to perform practical title is Facing, Step and Taper Turning Operation by CAN Cycle. Here we can see that 3D diagram of CNC machine given. Our objective is to aim of our practical is to by using CAN cycle we have to perform operation like facing, step turning and taper turning. Here we can see the 3D image of tape 3D image of CAN cycle using facing, step and taper. So what is meaning of CAN cycle? If you have repeat same operation more than 1 or 2 or 3 times, then you use the G71 CAN cycle. The apparatus required for that is CNC litho machine, mild steel workpiece, single foot cut turning tool, tool holder, CNC control panel, measuring instrument like vernier caliper. The instrument required to perform this practical all given here. We can see that this is the measuring instrument, this is the CNC machine, this is the holding device, this is the cutting tool, and this is the raw material required for to perform the practical. After that we have to see the prepare program for facing, step and taper turning operation by using CAN cycle. The drawing for such that is given below. In that we can see that the diameter of all raw material is given is 25. Then next diameter of the step is given is 22. Then after that last smallest diameter is 18, and in between 22 and 18 there is a taper at 20 mm length. The total length of our job is 100 mm. Here we can see that the axis identification of the CNC lathe machine. The spindle axis of our CNC machine is the horizontal axis. So our Z axis is the horizontal axis. Away from job is the positive axis, and toward the job is the negative axis. Then remaining x axis is the vertical axis. Upward direction is x direction, plus direction, and downward direction is a minus directions. After that we can see that find out coordinates or points or coordinates of their axis. First step is the find points and coordinate of the points. Here we have given step by step 5 points, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4 and point 5. By using this axis identification we can find the coordinates of all points. For point 1, Z coordinate is 0, X coordinate is 18. Then for point 2, Z coordinate is minus 20, X coordinate is 18. For after that for point 3, that is minus 40 and 22. For point 5, minus 60, 22, and after last minus 60 and 25. After find out in coordinates of points, we have to prepare program for same. The next step of our practical is to write the program by using these coordinate points. Here we given the coordinate points of each point for reference. Then next we have to write program. A123 is the name of the program. We can give any type, any number, any letter as you wish. Then next N10, this is the sequence lines of the program. N10, G21, G90, that is the all dimensions in mm and return to machine reference point. After that N20, G28, U0, W0, that is the machine reference point. After that N30, M06, T109, that is the spindle start. Tool change. After M03, S1000, M0S, that is the speed of machine is given. G00, X25, Z2. In that line indicate that our tool is 2 mm long from our job. After G00 indicate that there is movement of the tool, but there is no removal of material. After that G71 is indicated for the can cycle. Here U10, R10, U0 is the given cut, given feed or cut of the cut. Then R105 is the radius of the tool. Then after N70, P80, Q110, U0.5, W0, and that is feed is given. Here we have to see the what is meaning of the P and what is meaning of the Q. If we have using the can cycle, and then for starting the can cycle, P indicates the letter and 18 indicates the your can cycle starting from serial number 18, and Q is the your can cycle end at the Q110. N80, G01, X18, Z0. N90, here we can see that after that we are going to, by using this coordinate, we write the program G01, X18, Z20, G01, Z-40, X22, Z160, X25, Z8. After that, here is the tool is coming at the point 5. After that, we have to given a G70, that is indicates the rough cut, finishing cut of the can cycle. Finishing in G70 indicates the finishing cut, and we have to give finishing cut from P18 to Q120, and after that we have to N40, G0. Our tool is going to machine reference point. M05 is the coolant on spindle stop, and M34 indicates the there is the program end. After writing this program, we can see that is simulation for this practical. For that we use the CutWiWc app. By CutWiWc app of the CNC machine, first all of you open the CutWiWc app. Here we open the CutWiWc app. Open new file. In setup we can change the program side at left direction, and we can here paste program. We run the program. You can see here the movement of the tool and simulation of that step as per the step. Here we can say that this is the line number, that line number process is doing on the same. This is the simulation of the same program. After completion, we can see that here part job is ready. Here is we can see that the 3 steps to be achieved. That is, first is step turning, taper turning, and plane turning. After completion of simulation, we here ready to use this program for the this program on machining. Thank you for watching video.